Hi guys, welcome you all to my channel Explore Edu to Teach.
Lecture that we are going to study on aptitude is going to be about speed, distance and time and its problem. So we are going to solve three problems on speed, distance, time. Generally the ones which are asked regularly in the competitive exams, in the placement exams or whatever kind of exam wherein such aptitude is required. Such kind of questions are asked. So we'll try to solve them one by one and try to understand the different concepts included in that. So let's try to take the first problem on speed, distance and time. All these things will be uploaded on my Telegram group. The links are given down in the description box. This PPT will be there. You can download it from there and you can join the Telegram group as well. Also, all the formulas are given in a concise manner on my Instagram page. So if you like it, you can follow me on Instagram as well for all the content. So let's begin up with the first problem on speed, distance and time. So the question says, if Rahul travels at 6 km per hour, he will be 2 hours late for the movie. And if he travels at 9 km per hour, he will be 1 hour early for the movie. So what is the total distance traveled by Rahul? So firstly, you need to know the basic formula in speed, distance and time, where speed S is equal to distance D upon time T. So your speed is equal to distance by time, where speed is S, distance is D, time is T. That is S is equal to D by T. Now, if Rahul travels at 6 km per hour, so if the speed is 6 km per hour, he takes 2 hours late for the movie. So, if he travels at 6 km per hour, the distance is D, he will take 2 hours more, that is T plus 2. And if he travels at 9 km per hour, he will be 1 hour early for the movie. So if he travels at 9 km per hour, distance upon T minus 1, because he's going to travel, is going to reach 1 hour early. So the basic formula is speed is equal to distance upon time. If he travels at 6 km per hour, distance by time, he will take 2 more hours. And if he travels at 9 km per hour, distance upon time, he will take 1 hour less. So from 1 and 2, I can say that 6 into T plus 2 is equal to 9 into T minus 1. So D remains constant. So 6 into T plus 2 is equal to 9 into T minus 1. Therefore 6T plus 12 is equal to 9T minus 9. Therefore 3T is equal to 21, T is equal to 7 hours. Therefore from 1, the distance is equal to 6 into T plus 2, 6 into 7 plus 2 is 9, that is 54 hours. That is very, very, very important. So I'll repeat this question again and we'll try to understand. If Rahul travels at 6 km per hour, he will be 2 hours late for the movie. And if he travels at 9 km per hour, he will be 1 hour early for the movie. What is the total distance traveled by Rahul? So speed is equal to distance by time, S is equal to D by T, where speed is 6, distance is common and time traveled is T plus 2. Similarly, when speed is 9, distance is D, he will be 1 hour early, that is T minus 1. Therefore 6 into T plus 2 is equal to 9 into T minus 1. Therefore the final time is 7 hours. From 1, I can say the distance traveled is equal to 6 into T plus 2, which is 6 into 9, 54. Other way you can do it from 2 also, 9 into T minus 1, that is 9 into 6 will also be equal to 54 hours. So that's the first question. The second question is a very normal question. We can go through it quickly. Walking at 3/4 of his normal speed, Rahul is 2 hours late to the office. what is the normal time he takes to reach the office. So again, speed is equal to distance by time. The normal time is t. So we need to find out t. So S is equal to d by t is the first formula, general formula. And then it says, if he goes at a speed of 3/4 of his normal speed, that is 3/4 of his normal speed, then he will be 2 hours late, that is d upon t plus 2. From 1 and 2, I can say S into t is equal to 3/4 into S into t plus 2. Therefore, finally, the formula of t is equal to 6 hours. That is very important. So, if you are going at a speed of 3/4 of his normal speed, Rahul will be 2 hours late. So, we're just putting this formula over here. Then we are considering d common on both the sides. S into t is equal to 3/4 into S into t plus 2, and find out the value of t. I hope I am very clear with this. Let's take in the next question, which says, a train which is 220 meter long travels at 40 km per hour. How long does it take to cross first an electric pole, secondly a platform which is 250 meter long? So again, speed is equal to distance by time. So your distance is equal to, they have given 220 meters, but since the speed is in kilometer per hour, we'll try to convert this to kilometer, that is 220 by 1000, 0.22 kilometer. Okay, now when it has to cross an electric pole, now the electric pole considering has negligible length, I can directly consider the formula t is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 0.22 kilometer and speed is 40, which is equal to 0.0055 hours. Okay, now when it has to cross a platform, now the platform is not of negligible length, right? They have given the length as 250 meters. So just convert the 250 meter into kilometer, but that will be equal to 0.25 kilometer. Therefore, time is equal to distance by speed. What is the distance? Distance is 0.25 kilometer plus 0.22 kilometer, that is equal to 0.47 kilometer divided by 40. So the speed remains the same. The time becomes 0.01175 hours. So let's try to understand the concept again. They are saying that a train is 220 meter long and is running at a speed of 40 km per hour. So how long will it take to cross the electrical pole and the platform both? So the electrical pole is of negligible length. So not considering its length, we can just consider time is equal to distance by speed. So the distance is 0.22 and the speed is 40, which is 0.0055 hours. And when the platform is 250 meter long, that means the kilometer is equal to 0.25 kilometer. It has a distance, right? So the train itself has to pass and it has to also pass the platform also. So it is 0.25 plus 0.22, which is equal to 0.4, you can say 0.47 upon 40, which is equal to 0.01175 hours to cross the platform. So this is very important. On this basis, I have solved these 3 questions and tried to explain to you. Make a note of it. This will be uploaded on my Telegram group, this PPT, and you can download it from there. The links of all the formulas and everything will be uploaded on my Telegram page also. You can download the formulas and everything from there, and you can follow me on Instagram if you like it. Also, please share it among all your friends who are in search of placements, job opportunities, or for competitive exam. I'm sure this thing will be very useful for you. So if you like this particular video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and join my Telegram group also. Thank you so much, guys. God bless.